Hi guys, today I'm going to be making some self-watering pots. I've already started a couple here. You need things like pieces of pipe and buckets. These cost me £1 each from a small hardware store. I expect you can pick them up from dairy places. Right, first of all, get ourselves one of these buckets here. And the lid, snap it on so it doesn't move around. Now I've got one of these tools here which is fantastic for making holes. Now it's coarse, so it's better to run it backwards because otherwise it snatches. There you go, simple as that. And then you need to make another one for this pipe, which is just about right size there. And you put that to one side. Take the lid off and get yourself a plant pot. And fill it with some compost. Ram it down nice and hard. Like so. And this is what is used for making the wicking agent. And as you see, there's already holes in the bottom, so you can make some extra holes round, and that sits in the bottom there. Right, just offer that back in there, and then just cut round the outside here. Leave a little lip up, don't have to be much. And that gets disposed of. But this is a sort of recycling, if you like. And then this fits down in there, nice and snug. Let me show you. There we are. See, nice and snug. And there's the wicking compost. And you get one of these pipes like this, and push it down in there, and that's that. Put a bit of an angle on it, and this is now your filling spout. This is all reservoir for water. This is your wicking, and then you can fill that with soil. And you just, at this stage, just put a little bit in, because then you can put some fertiliser on there, because otherwise it's too strong for the plant. Now the other thing you need to do is drill a hole in the side of the bucket. Just below the height of of the plant pot. So there we are, you can see the plant pot right there. So if you drill the hole there, like so. So when you fill this with water, it comes out there and leaves a airspace inside. So you effectively you're restricting the roots from going down in there and trying to find a way through. So there we are, simple as that. So if you can remember that, hole, buckets, lids and plant pot. That's all you need. Fill it with water, and when the water comes out of the hole there, then you know you filled enough and you can't overwater. Obviously when you put your plants in the top here first time and it's up here, you'll have to water the top to allow the wicking action to start, but once it starts it'll be fine. There we are, over and out.